The Quality Assurance Lab, in simple terms, is a setup which does a range of tests on our network assets at various stages of their life cycle. And that is to validate their performance and ensure that they are fit for purpose, deliver value for our customers, and are safe over their expected lifetime. So it started off in Grafton around 2009, and then we moved to Coffs Harbour, where we expanded on the mechanical testing abilities, not so much the electrical testing. 7 years ago, we found some space at the old carpenter's shed, which is behind me here, which had to be cleaned and dismantled and started from scratch. So gradually, the team have actually built everything in here. We test pretty much our most common asset types here. So we test timber poles, composite fiber poles, composite cross arms, insulators, conductors. We test our underground cables, any asset that can be used on the network. At the moment, we have capabilities to do a range of tests, both mechanical and electrical. For example, pulling our conductors and checking whether they are strong enough. And that serves two purposes. It does quality assurance for new materials to ensure they comply with the standards and the codes. It also helps us defer investment in replacing older assets. The lab validates our thinking and our rationale and our decision making. We also do something that is unique to the industry, which is accelerated aging tests, where you're exposing the assets we install to the stresses that they would see in real life over an extended period of time, 50 years. We actually subject it to a test over 6 months and simulate those accelerated aging conditions all together. That might include salt spray, corrosion, electrical stresses, mechanical forces, and the effects of ultraviolet radiation. That way, in 6 months, you would know the new asset you choose would be good in service for 50, 60, 70 years and performs as intended. And the benefit we have is by using the testing intelligence to inform our regulatory submission, it is more scientific and validated, and the regulator trusts Essential Energy's submission because of the confidence from the testing. As a matter of fact, the Australian Energy Regulator has actually visited the lab in the past, and they were quite pleased to see what we do here. One of the key benefits of having those external stakeholders visit the lab is, it gives them confidence in what Essential Energy does. In terms of other attendees, we've had other utilities visit our lab as well. As a matter of fact, currently we are testing some insulators from Western Power who have their own testing, but they have seen what we do and they were comfortable in what we were going to provide them in terms of the results and so on. So all those external stakeholders, other utilities, having a look at what we do gives them that confidence that Essential Energy is an industrial leader in what we do. It helps us with our regulatory submission in getting the funding we need. It keeps our customers happy and gives them that assurance that their money is well spent. Our network is exposed to a range of environmental factors that are unique compared to other parts of the world. So we have areas with extreme corrosion and salt spray. We have areas that are extremely dry. We have areas with industrial deposits. We have areas that are prone to lightning. And worst of all, we have areas that are prone to bushfires and flooding. So that's everything from everywhere around the world, all in one place. So when we design and install our equipment, we need that confidence that whatever we do will serve us in the longer term. So if you choose an asset that is fit for purpose anywhere on the network, it gives your users the flexibility to just use the same asset everywhere. It gives you increased purchasing power in terms of the economies of scale. And most importantly, it provides good asset performance and better value for your customers.